Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into investing strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. Today's question is both exciting and controversial: can you really live off dividends forever? This idea has captured the imagination of countless investors. Some people picture themselves sitting on a beach, sipping their favorite drink, while their dividends roll in every month like clockwork. But is this dream realistic? Can dividend investing truly provide you with enough income to cover your expenses? Not just for a few years, but literally for the rest of your life. In this video, we're going to explore that in detail. We'll break down how dividend income works, what kind of portfolio you'd need, the risks no one talks about, and the strategies smart investors use to make this dream a reality. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly are dividends? Dividends are a portion of a company's profits paid out to shareholders. They can be paid monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on the company or ETF you're invested in. For example, a company like Coca-Cola has been paying dividends for over 60 years. ETFs like SCHD or VIME package together dozens or hundreds of dividend-paying companies and distribute income to you. So, the big question is, can dividends replace a salary? Let's put some numbers on it. If you want $40,000 per year in dividend income and your average portfolio yield is 4%, you'd need about $1 million invested. If you want $80,000 per year, that's $2 million invested. Sounds simple, right? But there's a lot more to it than just buying dividend stocks and walking away. Why do people love the idea of living off dividends? Passive income: you don't need to sell your shares. The income arrives regularly. Sustainability: with a well-built portfolio, dividends can feel like a paycheck you never have to work for again. Growth over time: dividend growth stocks like Johnson or Procter & Gamble don't just pay dividends, they increase them almost every year. Psychological comfort: unlike selling shares, dividends make people feel like they're not touching the principal. But here's the truth: not all dividends are created equal. Some are safe and sustainable, others are high-yield traps waiting to collapse. The real question is, how much money do you need to live off dividends forever? Let's run some scenarios. With $500,000 invested in a 4% yield portfolio, you'd earn $20,000 per year. That might cover some expenses, but not everything. With $1 million at the same yield, you'd earn $40,000 annually. That's closer to a modest lifestyle. With $2,500,000 invested, you'd generate $100,000 per year. That's financial independence for most people. But here's the kicker: yields vary. ETFs like SCHD yield around 3 to 4%, while high-yield ETFs like JEPI or KILD can push closer to 8 to 12%, but they come with higher risks. So, it's not just about the dollar amount, but also about choosing the right mix of safety and yield. This is where dividend dreams hit reality. Dividend cuts: companies can and do cut dividends when times get tough. Just ask investors in AT&T. Inflation: a $40,000 dividend income today won't buy the same lifestyle 20 years from now. If your portfolio doesn't grow, your income shrinks in real terms. Market downturns: even though you're not selling shares, if companies struggle, dividends can dry up. Taxes: dividend taxes eat into your income depending on where you live. Living off dividends forever requires planning for these risks, not ignoring them. So, what's the smart way to approach this? It's called dividend growth investing. Instead of chasing the highest yields, you focus on companies and ETFs with a track record of growing dividends year after year. For example, Johnson has increased its dividend for over 60 consecutive years. ETFs like SCHD and VIG focus on quality companies with consistent growth. Dividend growth means not only do you get income today, but your income grows with you, helping offset inflation and giving you peace of mind. Think of it this way: would you rather have a flat paycheck for 30 years, or a paycheck that increases every year? So, back to the main question, can you really live off dividends forever? The answer is yes, but with conditions. You need a large enough portfolio. You need the right mix of dividend growth and yield. You need to manage risks like inflation, taxes, and dividend cuts. It's not a get-rich-quick strategy. It's a get-rich-slowly, stay-rich forever strategy. If you're willing to build your portfolio over time, reinvest dividends during the accumulation years, and transition into living off them in retirement, then yes, dividends can absolutely support you for life. So, can you live off dividends forever? The dream is possible, but it requires discipline, patience, and smart portfolio choices. Don't chase sky-high yields. Focus on sustainability, growth, and consistency. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed advisor before investing. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Would you want to live entirely off dividends, or would you prefer a mix of strategies like the 4% withdrawal rule? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.